Moving Bird here. So today I'm going to play this beautiful game, Floppy Bird, the hardest game ever. As you see, it's Floppy Bird. So it's Floppy Bird. Yes. Let's get serious. It's the hardest game ever. As you see, I passed the one. I must get a trophy. It's two. Yes. I have been playing this. The best score I have get ever was 14. As you see in the screen, 14. Yes. So, guitar shows the clouds. This beautiful day. So I'm dying. I don't know why. Don't know why. I'm losing. I'm losing. The only thing I know that losing is my side. Yes, get ready. I'm ready. I'm ready for every challenge. Yes, please. I pass the second one, third one, fourth one. Yes, this is the best thing ever. I'm the best one playing Floppy Bird. Yes, think I am the best one. Yes. So I see a good green bird hitting these things, these red evil things. Red is for evilness. What the heck? Gonna do this. Yes. Do you see how I'm flying? You see how I'm flying? You see how I'm dying? You saw my goodness. Yeah, I have a good bat. I have a butter bat. It's very slightly movable. Yes. Looking at the stars. Yes. Tall buildings. Yes, it's a three. I will do this. Be sure, my little fans. Be sure that I'm gonna win. Yes, I'm sure. I'm very sure that I'm gonna win. Yes. Yeah. No. Why this happened? I'm beginning to become enraged. I'm beginning enraged. Don't do this to me. Don't be so rude like this. You are the rudest one ever. Yes. I will pass the 7 score. Yes, must pass it. One day, I will pass you. Yes. Wait for me passing you. Yes, the first one. Why? Do you know? I'm really done with you. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the video. So bye.